All right, let's get something straight. Trees aren't just randomly throwing a fall fashion show because they're bored. Well, maybe a little. You've seen it. One day everything's green, next day it's like Mother Nature spilled a bag of Skittles everywhere. What's up with that? Short answer, it's all about chlorophyll, the green stuff. Longer answer, chlorophyll is what lets trees turn sunlight into food, like some leafy Gordon Ramsay. During spring and summer, trees are working overtime, photosynthesizing like maniacs, trying to survive. But when fall hits, days get shorter, temps drop, and trees are like, yeah, I'm not doing this anymore. So they stop making chlorophyll. And when the green fades, boom, other colors show up. Turns out those yellows and oranges, they were there the whole time, just hiding under the green like backup dancers waiting for their solo. That's thanks to carotenoids. Same stuff that makes carrots orange. So yeah, trees are basically giant leafy carrots now. Congrats. Then you've got the reds and purples, the real divas. That's anthocyanins. Trees actually make these pigments during fall, like some last-minute, end-of-season drama. Scientists think anthocyanins protect the leaves a little longer, or maybe just make the trees look cooler, so bugs leave them alone. Either way, it's giving main character energy. Meanwhile, brown leaves, that's when everything's dead and dried out, glamorous. So here's the TLDR because you've got TikToks to watch. Green, chlorophyll doing its 9-to-5 job. Yellow-orange, carotenoids, the chill pigments. Red-purple, anthocyanins, the drama queens. Brown, death. Sorry. But why bother dropping leaves at all? Because winter's coming, duh. Keeping leaves in cold weather would be a huge waste of energy. Plus, they'd freeze and probably snap off anyway. So trees just Marie Kondo their branches. Does this leaf spark joy? No? Yeet. In short, fall colors are trees shutting down for the season, but making it fashion. They're not dying, they're leveling up, prepping for the hardcore survival game that is winter. When nature is both beautiful and totally savage. All right, now you know. Go crunch some leaves, post a moody Instagram story, and pretend you've understood the circle of life or whatever. Stay leafy, my friends.